So today, guys, I'm letting you see the October to December raid that I did, guys. These are boxes that need to be opened based on the air guns over my Christmas and holiday raids. As you can see, there's a bunch of them. So what this does, guys, will allow me to have a bunch of content that's coming your way. So stay tuned for that. And we'll begin to do that, and you'll start to see the videos as I post them. Okay, guys, I just received a package. Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Friday, January 3rd.
So just received my last of my October to December raids, guys. These are last minute packages that I got after Christmas, actually. That are, one is a very special gun of sorts that I really wanted for a long time, and there's other things in these boxes, so stay tuned.